Hey boys, Astro Clan here. I'm gonna be unboxing this new keyboard I got. And out of class, so I have to do this fast. Oh, mechanical keyboard. Oh, say less. Oh shoot, I ripped it. How do I open this, bro? Oh, I see. Bro, won't let me go under. Let me get a knife. Where's my knife? My mechanical knife. Got that one out. Oh shit. Got that out. Can you hear that sound, boys? So it came with this. I'm gonna put this away because I don't even care about the box. And it came with a keycap puller. You guys hear that sound? It's so small compared to this one. Hold up, I'm gonna unplug it. Oh shoot, wrong one. Pulled out. Oh, that's a blooper. Let me get this one out, guys. Look how big this one is. Throw that in the garbage, bro. We don't want that. We want this. Oh my god, does that... Oh, I'm in love. The back, there's a stand right here where you can make it up a little bit, which is kind of good. Oh, I'm so happy it's here. I'm gonna plug this in so I can show you guys what it looks like after I get this thing off, though. Ding ding, dingity ding ding. Bop, bop. Let's go. I thought it was gonna come next week, bruh. It's blue switches, by the way, you guys. That's why it's loud. Look, where's the keycap puller? Keycap puller. And then it comes with a manual. Hold up. Here, guys. Blue switches. That's why it's clicky. I'm recording on my phone right now because I don't have time to go on my freaking camera. Oh my god, that sounds so good. Alright, let me plug it in now. I don't like this cording. The other one was better. Oh my god, it's so messy, boys. Put it through the back of it so it can look nice. If I can get it through, guys. I got it. More. Oh! It's on, boys. Performance. I'm gonna pause this. I'll be right back. That clip of me during the transition was bad, but I'll edit that out. But here's the... I think that's not gonna sound good on video, but sounds really good on camera. I mean, in person. But let me fix this cord real quick. I'll be back, guys. So we're back. Almost have to go to my next class. I'm just gonna fix this so I can be all set. It's a long cord, bruh. I like how it's so small, so I have like more room for mouse. Oh my god. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys all the lighting effects. I'll be back. So if you click FN, that's one. FN. This one just fades away and comes back. Oh, this one looks nice. I kind of like that one. This one just glitters everywhere. This one too. Whoa. This one looks nice. Yeah. Yeah, I like this one. Just I don't really know which one. These are all good. This one where it's off. Same thing. FN insert. I'll just keep it for this right now, and I have to go to class, boy, so I'll see you right back.